So let's use the Van Dyke stitch, which is a simple stitch to create that beautiful texture in the center. Let me show you a variation into a leaf shape. So I'm going to sketch the leaf shape, and I'm going to make a line down the middle, and this is where the raised part is going to be. So these two curved lines are now the lines that are going to reflect the leaf. This is going to be the legs of this stitch. So I'm stitching first across, starting on the left-hand side, going to the right-hand side of that middle line, coming up on the opposite side of that line, and then going parallel across here. And then I'll make my next stitch over here on that left-hand line that's curved. I'm going to weave through both stitches. Again, working my piece in the center here, and then right across parallel, stitch it down. And I'll continue this the length of the leaf, making sure the little legs of this stitch always go onto that perimeter. Constantly weaving through the fabric. I'm going to try and be parallel, so up a little higher. And then I just constantly make sure the stitch is nice and even in the center. And I make sure that that braid is nice and centered. Then I just continue down the length, finishing up the stitch. So when you're done, you just want to work the stitch to the center, and you have that beautiful shape of the leaf, fishbone shape. You can stitch around it to create the border if you want, but there you have a beautiful shape. And you can vary this. You can continue bellowing out if you wanted to make this very interesting.